am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Trainings Hands-on Exercise 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp number and my email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I will handle your complete MyLab IT course. I will do your Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft SS. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I can do all online courses on MultiLab Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Grail, Seminar, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Okay, so we will go to PowerPoint Chapter 1 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 3. Okay, you can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python. Click on Launch button. So, okay, training is starting right now. So question 1 is that switch to notes page view and read the notes. Continue to review the notes for slides 6 to 9. Return to the normal view. Go to the view tab. In the presentation views group, click on page note button. Continue to review the notes for slides 6 to 9. Return to the normal view. Okay. So we'll click on normal. On slide 2, add a new speaker. Notes type listed are the topics we will be discussing in today's presentation. Okay, we will go to slide 2. Okay, and add a new speaker node. We will add a new speaker node. We will tap listed are the topics. Listed are the topics we will be discussing in today's presentations. We will be discussing in today's presentations. Okay, presentation. Question is completed now. So moving on, next question is question number 2. Insert the slide number on all slide except the title slide. Insert the slides number on all slides. We will go to insert tab. In the text group, okay, click on header and footer. So we will click on slide number checkbox. Click on don't show on the title slide checkbox. We will checkbox is this and click on apply to all button. So in the notes and handouts header and footer, add the footer text carrier and employment services and apply to all slides. We will go to the insert tab in the text group, click on header and footer. So we will click on notes and handouts. So click on footer checkbox and we will enter carrier and employment services. Career and employment services. SERVICES services and apply to all slides. So this question is done now. Now I'm going to do third question of this training. Question number 3 is that check the spelling for the entire presentation, correcting each suggested change. Okay, we will go to the review tab in the proofing group, click on spelling button. So we will spell check all, click on OK. Question is completed now. I just show you 3 questions in my video. Total question of this training is 5, but I have done this complete training for my student. You can see on my laptop screen I have got 100% grade in this training. If you want to do this training from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, all multi-lab courses, and MyLab Math and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.